everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crafts Designs. Sorry for the fish tank again. I've had a few questions. I want to say I have not stopped working with polymer clay. It's just a heat-related situation. A, it's too hot to ship anything, and I've been out of black clay since right before it got hot. 2, it's just too hot in my studio to run the oven. I gotta turn the air conditioner off to run the oven, or heat the studio up before I turn the air conditioner on. That stupid either way, but I will get back to polymer clay. Right now, we have a demo for the Alexis mica powders. These are the Chameleon powders. Okay, I did go ahead and take the safety seal off the top. I intended to leave the last one to show you on camera, and I went ahead and took it off. The pleasures of filming. So, I just got this little open heart mold, and I'm going to, I'm just going to pick a few at random, and let's dust them with some powder. I know I want this Haldy brown. That is gorgeous. Okay, other than that, let's see. Oh, I love this Merry Dancers. This one is the Cobalt Violet. The Chocolate Plum. Spicy Cocktail. Let's see, I wanted to try this Peacock Blue. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I got 3 more. This Forest King. This Mermaid's Eyes. You gotta try that. And then I'll go with one of the reds. Let's see. Magnolia Sunset. This is a more red. Let's go with this one, Carmine Red. Alright. So, 3, 3, and 3. Yeah, alright. Get my... Nope. Not the right brush. Don't worry, it was just a crash. Alright, this is the one that I normally use for mica powders. So let's start. I'm going to start with the lighter colors, just so I don't transfer too much. Alright. I'm gonna just, this is all I'm gonna do, is dust the insides of these hearts. I'll just show you the first one, maybe first 1.5. And then I'll come back and show you before I go on to the next step. Alright. Now, I did intentionally choose this mold because, as you can see, it's already started to lose some of its siliconeness, if that's a word. It's still shiny at this point, but it will lose even that eventually. So I decided it was a good choice to put these mica powders on because they'll have a matte finish anyway. Alright, I'm just going to dump the mica powder, loose mica powder. Alright. Just gonna have brush strokes either way, isn't it? Alright. Now I can see one of the things I did was get a little bit of mica powder where I didn't want it, and I don't really want to get it wet. Alright, so that was most of it. We'll go with maybe this carmine red. Will cover that up nicely. That is a really interesting color. It's got kind of this color flash with that red as a base. Really pretty. Alright, so I'm just gonna keep on, and I may pop on and off at a moment's notice. I'll be back. Okay, here we are so far. Don't worry, I've cut them color coded, whatever you want to call it. I've got 3 more. The 3 blue purple combination ones. The Merry Dancers, which was the green one. The Forest King, which is a blue to green shift. And then this Peacock Blue, which is like a purple to green shift. I don't know if y'all can hear that down there. My dog is running in his dreams. It's hilarious. So I'm just gonna keep dusting. Okay, now this, I'm gonna go in this order. This first one is the Mermaid's Eyes. I'm sorry, unintentionally said it was the Haldy Brown, but Mermaid's Eyes. Then we've got the Carmine Red. The Haldy Brown. Sorry, I'm not sure. You'll look at what they look like in the jar. Alright, there. Okay, then these 3 are the Cobalt Violet, the Chocolate Plum, and the Spicy Cocktail. Okay, Spicy Cocktail, Chocolate Plum. That just looks yummy. And this one is the cobalt violet. Alright, then these three. This one is actually the Merry Dancers. It's got a very green gold look to it. Now, I wanted to say when I was going through these are filled by weight. So don't be confused if you get some that have very little in them or some that are more full. The Merry Dancers is one that has very little in it. To me, that says it's a more expensive mica powder to produce. So, like, if you could see both of these, the peacock blue one is a bit fuller than this Forest King one. This one is the Forest King. So pretty. And this one is the peacock blue. So right down here. Alright, so I'm going to mix up some black resin to fill these up, and then I'll let it cure, and then tomorrow morning I'll be back to demold these. Alright? I'll be back. These are set. Super excited. Alright. Okay, first of all, let's see. Sorry, I should have had this ready, but I didn't take them out of order when I put them away, so. Now this one is the mermaid's eyes. It's got a really red and gold, maybe a violet. Alright, there's that one. The next one is the carmine red. Now this one is the reverse. It's got a gold flash with this red violet base. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, the next one is the one I was excited about, is the Haldy brown. This looks like a green gold. Ooh, yes. Wow, that is very pretty. It's actually a much more green, even than the brown. Oh, that is pretty. Pretty. Sorry, you know I love green. Oh, sorry. This one is the cobalt violet. Oh, very true to its name. A blue with a violet flash. Oh, so pretty. Alright, then this one is the chocolate plum. Probably don't need that at 7:30 in the morning, huh? Oh, now this one has a purple with a violet flash. That is so pretty. I'm not sure how I kept getting stray glitter. That may be actually from the black. Right. Now this one is the spicy cocktail. Ooh. This one is almost like a green flash with a purple violet. Wow, that's really interesting. I'm sorry if y'all are not seeing what I'm seeing. I really should hold them up better and yeah, move them around a bit more. I feel like now the video was a fail, but I'm not gonna redo it. Thank you so much to Alexis for sending me these. This has really been fun. Oh, I love this one. It's got a, when you're not looking at it directly, it's got a real copper kind of look. Okay, now we shall continue on. The Merry Dancers. This one was a green gold in the bottle. And it is! Oh my gosh. Y'all know how my heart just sings. That is so pretty. I know a lot of people really don't like green in crafting. It's kind of weird, but love green. This one is the Forest King, which I thought was a kind of a green blue in the bottle. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Perfect ocean-y kind of mermaidy kind of color. Oh. Oh, that is really pretty. Okay, last but not least, the Peacock Blue, which in the jar was a purple blue, kind of a dusky kind of purple blue. Oh, so right. Wow. Oh, and it's also got a gold. Oh, yeah, really pretty. The perfect name, a very peacock color. Oh, okay. There's 9 of them. What do you think? I think they're gorgeous. They're really gorgeous. And using the older mold that had been used a few times didn't really seem to affect it at all. They're still plenty shiny. Even using the matte finish mica powder, they're really very nice. Very nice. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, Alexis, so much for sending me these. The links will be down below. Bye for now.